ebi anka Mahama mo nso se Ghana ye din die anka ono so oba obeka se mo nso obia minister bia for the first month and as the first 3 months no mo nso mo sacrifice dey no ye san betua school fees aka ho obi biara on appreciate this kind of free SHS no na just ono na we decide not to, because ye tua no kura no eniame nyina anya 100%, na eniame nyina anya 100%. No se mi tua maw fa bibia boarding house fee, everything na abrochi ha ye we apart from school fees a ye ntua ma mo franketo ano one auto aduane ma wo mo wodidi once a week one na obetua sa feeding fee no obetua na wato won books ato won bibia apart from ebia sa school fees na won tua no wo na obeye bibia. But this man took upon himself say opeso hwe Ghana for free na Ghana for e benefit no won say once wo ye Ghana for enu nti niama e wo Ghana mu ayese ye wo koko ye wo ide ye wo we no once wonya bi na wonfa enye proud of themselves as Ghanaians inti no ono de wabeye. Now I thank God, I always say it, say I thank God say Ekufuado no ono wako ni 8 years no we MPP party no na Ghana for na decide say one mo besesa every 8 years. It doesn't matter what you do, one mo besesa into one asesa. Now I'm surprised say Mahama etimi akoto car a wealthy a friend say $500,000 our babetinim, because the way they were complaining, the way they were saying, the way they were speaking, no, now I thought say nkoba anka onwa bi onu abe penika bi papa bi na nkwache se nkasa sika bebroro kwa akoto foforo no anka obetim dey sort to certain things out. But once as soon as he came no on few days less than a week, no one the can got 500 a friend is saying $1,000,000 car for himself. No never I said them my and son one akeka my ebiane says yet say was those who voted for them we go Dubai to go enjoy themselves, and Dubai and so they himself what their Mahama there a one and niama e bebre e no there or relationship no woman no is so high into no most of the friend is a guys any girls any nipa bebre or one. That is the reason why a lot of them decided to go to NDC, because they know say one or the one more cash MPP for na obey social intervention ye ma free as ye ma one ambulance ye ma way, but one yet one physical say wuni me to diamond me to car man me sponsor wakoha. That is them. So a lot of people love that, but MPP for the wash wo bu amemu no to say abrochiri ofo say obi a unya Ghana card because abrochi say wunkita card bi we are citizen wuntumi nya hwe. The moment you go to every office bi and wo be bisa osa card no na we show ni app ansa nti na wo pese wo ye sa niama na yenya access to a lot of things na niama ye easier. And now no Ghana niama ye easier. Me ba Ghana a friend is saying me MTN me wo Ghana card ni bi me be ye bi. That was him say 3 years ago me be ye bi nti me wo bi me ba ma beje me number na me mobile money me ye sika e wo so a e ka ya me ba ye na metimi sende e wo ha efi ha na me de ama obi no e wo Ghana mpese wo mo de ye bibia na me de ama wo Ghana ho na me use mobile money e wo ha sesia. You know, nti one more year say one mo benya access to a lot of things na etimi abo man na so yakoyanim. But Ghana for no say there be yende mudi 8 years nko there you have to go no be mra. So one more call Mahama ba wakwaje ni $500,000 car or them nti mo ombesu say Ghana ayeden Ghana nyedi because Ghana ayeden how can you buy $500,000 car for yourself nko nka obetima aka cemento because me kai say Kufuado buy no ne first year no see mono first 3 months no catch any ministers bia say minister bia who pay no wo be sacrifice for Ghana He did that. And Kufuor nankasa himself no call ministerial appointment Kufuor time no wanji your friend is saying aban car wanji petrol or no provide petrol for himself. Kufuor that man or no ankasa provide ya to Kufuor term no end day. What you say? Inti or boa mine no. Osi ministers, mo first 3 months, kani nyina no, mintu ya mam, mo sacrifice ma Ghana. Because baby a Ghana one, you have to sacrifice. So now I thought say, ebi anka mahama mo so se Ghana ye di indie. Anka ono so oba, obeka se mo so obi a minister bia for the first month and as the first 3 months, no mo so mo sacrifice it. But once ono wa be gene car, less than a week, wa gene car, $500,000. And not him because on no born who bang or per se as president and yes say president there you're born who bang but the way you spoke now I thought senka or beton a boise and also beton pa or beba from kakra but you see $500,000 him de bet me so they shouldn't complain and Ghanaians shouldn't complain. One month na musa de ebekwa akosi bia no so 4 years time no so na they would decide say okay say ya hwe ya compare afa ya mpe won bi o ma so omofo say omo sampe won that is them you know wan kasa sa na sister ne kan ye no wan akofa aba ono an won jejereje they should stay in say no na meka no obi a wa abrochiri bia no na nke bia wo nipa bi wo Ghana say no so wo betumi a wo betima continue aye but say wuntumi a now no wom say 24 hours aba economy no say na brochi wom ebi mu ko night ebi mu ko afternoon ebi mu ko say no wom so ye bi no enwuma ni bi wo ha that's how it is already but wom so wom mpede a say obi bisa na say wunni bi enya by force because say no me je dis ahoto be ba Ghana say ba Ghana so e be boa won a wom so wa kwantuo mu na kakra ma me say because Ghana no say no mahama abanti no sa sika mam say na I think say e be kofem na wa bie nwuma ma won no ngetimi aye ntino me so me demand no be si ase obi o beto aswa
head of the Association of Private Schools about this free education.
Yeah.
And then me no patrani say Ekufuor government eyi omo eyi pemu eto won twene ye. But you know, they are also Ghanaians and they have investments. It's their investments. They have to protect it. Do you think, say, the education ministry could have implemented an all-inclusive policy? Inka private schools sifuni no so that nobody will lose their investments.
Akoya webisa no one say even sania government one okra na o shaase a oyeye NDC bi ene nipa ni bi say anka wo so oto ne boase na o start from somewhere nko onye ne nkakra on start ni boom you know private there no so there no be kan wa anka you can imagine maybe or shasia no shasia minim senke bia or shese government de no be succeed wo then we be na taban mu e de akọ private ye no na won so watimi anya bibi afi ho. And let me also say this, you see private school no se yaka private school and say ye private school bia o GIS eka ho Ghana Association eka ho and GIS for no sika no $15 million. I quite remember said
but Mama Cynthia, GIS na TIS na all this Oxford they don't do education of Ghana education curricula. They don't do it.
But Ghana for ma ko nti say wo ye ne private I want so beka sa na ye so Ghana for ma ye ko ne So private is private. The moment you go to private side now, you shouldn't go and say, we abrofu school and now we Ghana funi bi emako. GIS me kai say me ba boy penhine no. Owie a friend is saying, Nedram na ye person ko ntina ne papa ne nua say ye man nko yonko bisa. Ne koye no wo ka kire me say, na nka wo say menyem no e na wo say me be register no. Ato nti me wo no na say wa be start. Nti ba bia wadu asese over 6 years ne de aye late. Nti so obenya agi se bia e kwan beda baabi se bia obi yi ne ba efi ho ana se kwan beda ho aden no one afa no di ade. Nti there are certain schools bi wo ho a one level of neama no different, but so far as Ghana now say wo yama Ghana there, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter say ya bro for school because Ghana for man so ho pa wo mo dos. Nti so the private ne be kan wan kaminu abia enya asem ketwa. Bia na nko hwe nka private no be starting from somewhere. No why nen kakran. But for starting boom de be kan wa we kura wan fan be kan wono. Hwe se na wo mo twen abasa ene ha say boarding house no eni say wo ye ne sanke so mo wotua. And for me na me susu say borders no ko ma wontua. But he says no or yama Ghana fu nyina. So they will benefit as Ghanaians. It's no san o say adibi wo ho aminua etimi beda wa akoma so say me pese me ya adibi adibi wo nya me no de tu nipa akoma so no yo.
It's a noble thing he did.
Yes.
Very noble.
I can't pese me kafa ho on say question na obi say no. Ade bia wo sha say as time goes on na wo ye ni ye na wo de be kan de enye na wo yi film sa na ya ade
Into that say NDC for ka say progressive afa campaign time omo ka say omo the private schools no enyina be ka ho na de no na omo hu
se me do foi wo ma ba se omo ba yi sa fi no ma sha si o afi no ma start entini ye hwe wo mo because they say ya omo sha si hwe ni mo de sha si ebe ye ni mi bisa
that be
so wa shobo so the private be ka ho ama private fo ya koto abama no ti ye hwe ta on fa private no so me him say e easier ni ye da fa
want me nyam fa private mbehim say sia won promise tertiary no first year
ono na ka me ma pressure na no ono kan yo
no kra no e was nka January etimi start e was nka start January nti ye hwe say